Hey everybody, Dutchman Mods and Repairs back. You may have a button like this in your car. This is a 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee 4x4 Limited. That button obviously is associated with this fuel door. And last week it was actually hanging up on me. So when I would go to push the button, normally you should see, right? Just pop out like that. Mine wasn't. It just was having a bad day, I guess. But what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do something here that might help it not show back up again. And this is something you may be able to try. So let's pop that fuel door again. Talk about a couple things. So what you're dealing with here is this little mechanism here that's attached to a little electric motor. You see buried up inside of there. That little sleeve or that piston right there comes in on the back, comes right through here. So when you close the door through, that piston right there will be resting inside here. Okay, in there, and then when you push that button, it pulls back just enough. There should be a little bit of a spring tension on the door, which could also be a problem. And because there's a little spring that sits up inside there, gets weak, it pops back, and then your door just kind of pops out. That was a free sound effect. So what I'm gonna do is I scrounged up this right here. It's a brake lubricant because I wanted something that was wouldn't just run all over the place, and would provide some lubrication. I'm not going to put a lot on this. I'm actually just going to put it on the back side of this little tab, just a little smidge. I mean, not a lot. And I'm going to see how that plays out and helps with this. Because like I said, I really don't want to jump into this as a project, but perhaps I might have to. But this may be either semi-permanent or permanent fix. I have no idea where I got this. This tube's still full, so obviously I didn't use much of whatever I used. And I won't be using much on this either. I mean, literally like just a little tiny smear. Okay, we'll see how it goes. So that's all I've got on my finger. I mean, you can barely see it. Take that, rub it on the back side. Again, just a nice, easy, it's not real gooped up on there, just a smear. Okay. A little bit right there. And that's it. So I close the door. I'm not expecting some huge difference here, but yeah, we'll keep an eye on it. I'm just going to post the video anyways, and yeah, maybe this helps somebody out. So, got any questions or comments on any of that? I know it's simple, but still, you never know who might ask a question. Drop them down below. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you'd like to. I appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Have a good day. Dutch out.